2016 was the year I laid off Wall Street. You've heard of Wall Street laying off workers, which I participated in a couple times. But in 2016, I became fed up with Wall Street. I walked away. I decided to run my own money, run my family's money. Uh, so far, so good. 10 years in, we're still going. I write 3 articles a day for the Street Pro. I start out with basically my thoughts at 3 and 4 in the morning, which is market recon, which is a really my flagship article, I guess, of the day. My second article is usually a topical stock, whatever stock had great earnings or lousy earnings, or it's just in the news for one reason or another, where I try to fuse the technical with the fundamental and come up with my own hypothesis for the stock. Often it's a stock I like, but not always. And my third article has historically been a stocks under 10 piece, which I used to run that with Chris Versace. You mentioned Chris. Chris and I started that with the stocks under 10 portfolio. We didn't start it; we inherited it. A product called the stocks under 10 portfolio, which did rather well. And then it evolved into a column as all the products at what was Real Money Pro at the time were fused into fewer products to try to simplify things for the customers. That product, which sort of still is stocks under $10, has become what I'm calling the $10,000 portfolio, which I'm marketing to our readers as not a model portfolio. I actually separated $10,000 of my own money, and I am investing that $10,000 as I see fit, trying to do it in a very transparent fashion, and telling the readers what I'm going to do ahead of time so that they can act ahead of me. I go last, so I don't front run my own ideas, and we'll see if I can make some kind of ball of wax out of 10 grand. This is aimed at the newer investor, at the younger investor, at the investor that just doesn't have a lot of dough right now, and we'll see if we can get these folks into the game of investing, into the idea of being involved in the markets, because a lot of them have not been. A lot of them have been disenfranchised. Let's try to franchise them.